Hello, 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 brothers. Hello, all over the world. Hello, 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 hello. Please share, 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 share to your brother, share to your sister. Even your enemy, share to them. We not get enemy for this one again. For wetin dey happen for Edo State now. So everybody need to raise the right. We need to happy together. Please share, 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 share. Only one wood cannot hold forest. According to my Edo language, in parable. So only one wood cannot hold forest. So we need to discuss it together, happy together, rejoice it together. So we have to pray first. Everything we are doing, God is first. So, omnipotent God, omniscience God, I am that I am, the ancient of day. I call upon you this hour, O Lord. May you come and take absolute control here, O Lord. I commit this program into your hands, O Lord. Everybody that's going to watch here today, everybody, including me, I commit every one of us into your hands, for in Jesus' wonderful name I pray. Amen. So, we need to use music to celebrate. Share, share, share. Akúpọ̀ ẹ̀tí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó wá tó ẹ náà rí ọkùnrin ajé ní màyáhìn àwẹ̀ ní Jésù. We need to dance first because we are in happiness now. I know it's not finished yet, but we know that God is already done it. Share, share. Yes, so awe mama koma be na we mi po mo e o sa lo bo ana we fi ampu we e u kwado share. Share to your brother, share to your sister, share to your friends. 4 + 4. ọwọ́ apá pẹ̀lú Jésù ọ̀pá ni. Share. We have to people that said Edo State will never settle. Edo State, he must settle. That Satan is a liar. Because we have suffered a lot in that country. We suffer a lot. Why I just come out like this today? Because of the happiness I have for our father Obaseki, great governor. Osalo Bwawewe o. Just like as a show now. But you're in it. On I get up there, yeah. Osalo Bwawewe o. Anything you do in this life, God is watching you. He can't just come direct and speak to you, but He watch you. No matter where you do it, no matter where you hide, no matter where you are, He's watching you. That is why it's good for us to be careful for what we are doing. Just look at what is happening in Edo State now. Oshomile is just reaping what he sowed now. Just because of somebody. He missed many things. He lost many things. Just because of one person. Out of interest. Out of longer throat. I call it longer throat. Just look at them. So, God, 4 plus 4, talk back. Share. We have a lot to speak today. Share. I need to speak with somebody. We need to discuss this together. So I need people to talk to. I cannot just be talking alone. This is our Edo State discussion. Please, I'm sorry. God, you believe in God. Every area the devil are planning against you, Everything will go away. You will jump it past. We have a lot to speak here today. So share. Share to your friends, share to your brother, share to your sister, share to your beloved ones. Everybody is war. It's not what just like they don't show you. We are also here to know that way. Just like we don't pass a key now. I'm watching your son, I'm watching your boy, I'm watching your baby. Empire of Bowen of Bodo Penny, a war. Orientian Saloba with talk back. So this is just an example to us. Oh, another busy way. You can't tell you the new way to first video concerning this matter. You know where we look at me, no, ball. It's who you are moving. Oh, Magamio, and Nigabio, oh, Picuma, human and Nick. Hey, if case not taking. What's your call? Eh, what I can agenda. Imagine one. So we need to speak now because I believe my people will see it after this time. Please share. Share. So, brothers and sisters, all my fellow Nigeria, all Edo people, I come today because of this, what is happening in Edo State. Because the state is for everybody. It's not for one person. It's not belong to Shomule. It's not belong to Kabaka. It's not belong to what they call what is the name of that man? I forgot the name. It's not belong to them. It's belong to everybody. It belongs to everybody. So we need to speak about it. It's very bad what is really happened there. Oppression. Too much of oppression. It's too much in Edo State. So that's why we are not there, but we have people there. Even though your blood brother is not there, your blood sister is not there, but everybody there, they are your people. Brother, they are your sisters. If that city good today or Nigeria good today, if you want to go home, you cannot be afraid. You go directly. Not that you want to go home, you will be looking weird. So, my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigeria, let's join hands to really work with Obaze. He's a great man that God sent to come and repair the country for us, to come and make the city well for us. So one person cannot just come out and use one hand to push him away. No. So we thank God. God is really intervening now for what is happened there. God knows that we have been suffering for long. God knows what we face for long. Even me myself, before I leave that country, it's not my face. Because I see the suffer I pass through there. Don't go there. I don't want to remember it. So anybody that comes from there say, I don't suffer, I'm a big man daughter or a big man son. My dear, well, I know my own. I don't know your own. So many children are there in Mediterranean Sea. It's because of that stress in that country. If your country is good, where are you running to? You can't run to anywhere. Me, myself, I don't leave house before. But where the problem comes, when I see that this suffering is too much, I need to go. To go and look for my daily bread. To go and plan for my future. To plan for the children's future. So, that is why we have to join this man and do something. We have to join this man and do something. The time of Oshomole, that is the time that Libya road really packed people a lot. I know the group of people I see there. I know the group of people is still going there after I leave. So we cannot continue like that with them. So we just as God is working for us now, we have to do something according to the work of God. Because, in short, Oshomole finish it, but God will raise us again where we know the way to follow. Nobody should take bribe. Nobody should sell their votes. Because of 5,000, some people will sell their votes. I thank God, all my people, your eyes is open now. Because I see everything in social media. Yesterday night, I watched everything. Till midnight, I was so happy. Just Oshomole want to disgrace Godwin Obaseki. God disgrace him. That is man purpose. God dispose. So, when you are not God, never you knock your chest with anything. Don't boast of anything. You may be blind. If God say no, go nowhere. God know that Obaseki is a straightforward somebody. He's a merciful somebody. Somebody that can think about it or think about it. A fellow human being. That is why God stand for him like that. Just like they are begging him now. They are begging him. Because Oshomole do everything with secrets. He do everything with secret. In short, I don't know what to tell that man. It's only God that will judge in case. Because, no, it's too much now. If they share the money, what this man is going to use to do something in that Edo State. What we will use to do something in that Edo State. As I'm hearing now about that city, I'm so much happy. Before, when you go to teacher's house, there is a time that teacher erosion there. The erosion is not God that saved me that very day, because there is a man that meet me inside the erosion. He quickly pick me up. One lady like that. They pick me up. If not, the erosion they could have forget me since then. So somebody just come now. You want to do those things where will be if you are going to that road, just like you are in your bed where you are passing through that area. So you people need to be happy. I thank you, my Edo brothers. I love you too much. The way you people react, I so much love it. I love you people action. So we have to continue like that. Please never you let anybody come from back and close you people mouth, or to bribe you with any stupid money. That is not your future. You fight for your future so that everything will be okay. Today we have people that are not even educated in that country. It's because of the condition. Today we have people that many boys have killed themselves in that country today. It's because of the condition of that country. But if everything is okay, every one of them will love themselves. They will love themselves. Nobody will hate each other because you are okay, I'm okay. In this Europe today, when you are pregnant, that is where the white men plan for the children. Before they deliver that child, what the child will use till the end of till the half of his life, they have already planned it down. Everything is okay. That is why we here, we are still enjoying it with them. We don't forbid if our own place is good, people will still come and enjoy with us. We don't forbid it. So they don't swear for us. So I thank Obaseki. May God continue to empower that man. God will empower. Just this Ishan boy, they said this musician, because of their useless power, they don't want to take that man and lock him up. Thank God, I watched the video they used to bring the man out yesterday. And also with God, Obaze really try. He try a lot. May God empower you. Nobody will harm you. If any one of them plan bad against you, in short, he will return back to them just the way he returned back to Oshomule. So whatever you plan to your neighbor, he good, okay, he return back to you. He not good, if the neighbor is doing offend you, nothing wrong with you with the person just because out of jealousy, it will be back to you, my dear. Just within a twinkle eyes. So we need to, before we do anything, we have to look back and front before we do it. So I thank you, my brothers and sisters. This video, there is a video yesterday I watched. I pray to see it because sometimes my no, not this. Okay, let me play this music first. Yes, oh. Yes, so egbe agwe no popedo because I don't marry no ria o maria ka maria wede just where owo mama out of jealous they will never go free. Yeah, they go free kaka. Well, even on a video nigga watching that song, a live video nigga watching that song, a man nani we ati era no we me song. This a man am respecting the material never muje gbe fo na omo pe gbe fo am I let to papa no dia tenia so a man call ye program ni ona ka me man we Obaseki go no ma here we no Obaseki guy go abi Obaseki o we birthday no na ga go ni odo boy we birthday ba ma so e ba no ari wa. Just look at emi agba gbo bi ere ba wa nakina o ma ni eta money na ka ma we e go ye need wo Obaseki ye need the future of ma e money rogwa e money ma enwa e money ma e bia ye need the future of ya pose na wa mi ma agba emi go wa ye wa ju ki emi go every time emi o be ro ni agbo na ba emi go no ado salobo asset e free emi o paro no here ti ha me. Okay, no we are babalawo no ro ri awe Oshomule no hu me kere gaba na lebo ni ha egbe ma igwo egbe wo ene no ti ate owo sa o no kwodi according to that boy no we program Obaseki ni o sa kwe no kwa o sa o kwa ne emila na emeru o sa ku kiane So why ma very odo ma we ma oni eku kwa gwa no kwa go ma no. Ikaka bok mo very ma ba segi. A great governor himani. Ona ele no tai ona mwese. O Mario Bogbera, ileke mi ni gbe o pe ana 7 o mwese. E mo je me gbe. E o ateme nu aya o wa ku e o be no. So na send ani he ya mo he ma ni we yes, it's somebody. Obaseki, o wana gbon hira mi. O wana gbon hi. Oh, 4+1 makana. Oh, wagba. If guys not taking, where is the way you know? Or somebody with a berry buy. Why came up? Oh, you had the president. Because nobody water or you know water. Oh, where I'm never call Cassisi Ogui. Ne kabaka ya kadofi gwe yoto. No do him ya. Na mi gwe. Eba unu gwa unu nemi ya be de oke. Beke noje. We emi ya we la pona wo ye rule. Wa mi win na no ari ene gwe ga win because ama ono yo bow. O fi problem na here. Ama ono yo bow. Ijero pon melewe bona. Iye bo ni gulo sirame. Igbo salobo ay mana gbon wa na kina because of na make na survive. E wo ma ba kun egberie. E wiera mi je na kun pa wo ware. I wiera mi je pa be dokpa. Use no. Use robari. Ogwa mo wa akporo gbogbo. So o mo no igba be la tena no sa bwari ere we do ki ya mefena. Do ki ya wu se na. O so mu le ra wo to wo. No manoro ye je na. No my wajena. Ega busali eri abe tu emi na. Ega busali. I mware do ba e. Free school, free everything. Yana wo tobo, yana gbodo. If yana yo we polo bi era we. Yana ya pole pa. Better yana ni agbo ya regret e. Ni magagi we na ga regret. Ni magagi for kanti gwe. Abuyo bito ha iheni ni ati ene do o salopo abuyo bito o ki aserion ayi gbo pagbegu ya seri he na je no salopo ayi ku o ba eri kwa esagije so ayi ya woche ya kwa iheni ki eni ni ati ene do na je umako gba ne do abuyo bito ha no do esagi he woche kwa be dagu ma ya fefefe so te eri mano nya wo hia oba wa ya to pe ona ki ni ya wo pe benu du ya hi degbese o pe erebo hia fefefe ni ona ru debe na ona ari Abuja e ko ma fun somule e ku ma be mu enu ha mu egbe ru debe na pe na wa kian yo kiare na ku me hegbe be ni o o ma so ke e ko to no gwale sagi u agbu ko fi gbon ne emi e sagi ni o ma won egbe oko so baba ju no ro yan ni the repercussion rere era ro no twetie iye ro no twetie ogo hegwe o ma hegwe o nene e ma no pe nani osalopo ajian na God create them e ka kino bi letter no mujokian we no yakie no muyoto eri wina ode shi gino o keke no egwe do no ma so la kon when meje yo bi dororo bet ije mo bi do bet I love that Edo state more thing. He loves Egbegbe. Make se ni we me wiji me ni me ka se ni because why? E wo ni we mo eno. E wo ni we mo eno. E wo ni na gboyo to no, e wo ni na nware no, e wo na kokome no. E wo no say ma lu fun obije me fua anything. So ije agwo maku. I don't joke with it. Ije agwo maku. Emo imi no ga pere kabaka. Ishawa ni ehe ya mo somule yo to. When mege because awe no gbe kita ewi aso ati epi agele ayo wa bo de gberie awe ekeno magi agwaji e mata ya according to Osamede ekeno magi agwaji e mata je we ma aga yo boba bu but God is bigger than them Osalobo apolo se yan gbe ise awara gbo ya bo yen na ni a Osalobo abo yen na gwa on the 12 on the 15 and the 16 ogena asunu be no wa keke I ma believe I ma believe just look at the way God disgrace him all disgrace e mo ya no teri uji nana e ya gi ga ebe na ge e towe mo segbe babi ati e ni ta hun na dollar wewu eri ya gi ga so on wa ba gbona no wo to wo ni hu ye na wa meri pu yo to oje ibire do ba wa ni ba gbon o ma na ru enwe so ebi edo no we wa ka bo pon wa obu yo biton no do strengthen wa ya se gbogbo ni ogwo ma babe no ri ele ya bo shobule ya gwere ye ya no de ebi ono be na gion ni azon yo egbe eri ya gbazin eri wa ya gbazin o ma babe asike o ma gegbe oko na ohun umami ogwe ugare Nigeria gwale ebi ati iri yogede ni uja mo we talk true because egbe no ma hu mare no egbe no ma owe no wo kan yeme no yeme we wa no ma ku egbon o mari owo gede just because of agbega that was a problem. Why? Wagi popo biere wa magi hewe, wa magi enwame, wa magi ripu yoto. They go anu duwe degbe. Emi no ro pa ege ga dagme. Why? Bego enya ni no beje, eri ma ya fefe no nyado ya iwokpe. Mebe mi ebe na bi anje court, awo mare. O mare court. Do ijo. O sa bo ade ba wa be wa ya mete wu wa ti do ni mete wu wa opportunity wa ya we ni emi ni gele ri yo ri egbe na me ka bu eni o afilu pegi e gwa eto boy okeregbe owo anu je ni fi o ma ho ba ma gbe e wo igbe mi e wari eni you know what we ya fe ni do ekini in short I don't know o ba su ya gbe imudia ana to re lobi ana mi emekwe because o itu agbe erima wa ge me no salobo ya rupa ni ya de enia o salobo ona de egwa ona de yeba before we are bo wa we ma u ka afia mesi die wa we ansa ni se fi egbo agbewu ijo popa o te won ebo gwa be Nigeria ge ni o te ni o hasane ya ne e fence asila wala kanane efense awe na si efense ni ga me problem na obokpa bo yeri ya vere hasane receipt we on receipt gwero gwa usa igbina ya ri avie shobe vie go e ma ya na we ri afia mana do si le gbe ari e ga ni no go wi apa yo ga chema ya ri ma ya si le gbe afia ase ba ni e ya ma no omu yo mu re ba ge baba ape ne o ma kere receipt re ba gbina bana o tonu salobo aji o ma ito to be Nigeria ge ne tori o we soto we hi ni ya mu me kien ni ya mu e wa gwali ge city o gwali go no agbe foundation o gwali go in short ya la wa je mi ya e don ya develop so ni ya mo yare be ni ya me plan ya fefe God will disgrace them. Oru salopo kia ba son kia ba va except adore aje kwa ba ya confess ne eri my le run ya you shall be well with them be ni amara jo because he asie woni jigie ko shobule ne no emoki ona be to duo ge ona bi ate to duo ge be no ni wa gba se no ma se na mo e bo ne gba oge bi anti a emu nu ya gba oge una ye opportunity una ya pressing so Usalobo ifagbo no ri enu e my dear opologbe ya wo igo ya nu dovio ege ede you will go for it ugwaje to a high because iri atu agbe tofian iku abun pe mo me aro awe bege owo na ri emi owo iku na hin ha salobo ma ya no ri oja kia were o ha gwe ri pon ya no wuri ogwa because wa ogwa lori e ma ogwa mo ma ekporu gbugbo ebo agi ma be na ge ima we ri ya gi ma se fa ya ge bo be o shi na ri ele bo be na ri ere Nigeria just because of ewe ma so o sa to na be ni Jesu ni ma we la mi ma no be pe le gbin ma we ne we bo ni ma si obowo ni ma focus go do wa because I fear what you okpa awo. When a railway bono was supporting one in Rowa, I won't yaga, again I will be a bonia, I own yaga, while I will go around with you, 7 what's your bubble? Oh, to Nizua Wagia Azuo, you must focus on that city or on that country. Never ya day okay. Oh, one or where I'm not having a gualeji, or what wakamoko or waka jokuri. Oh, no, why ma, etic buruba, this etic burubo or logo. While I will go, it's a many who. What give my ye me kono mako, you ma making a row even than a way. Owakoro ega koro ugame ojiga jako ugame asege jako ugame mitage jako ubayo bamakoro ebi no mase jako osalobo no jibese oje no mase uwese usabe no mumewe ugo wese negbokan o wagimaye no mako wala ho nude mona abiele nude mona na ebie na hia ebie ni maye no mako ini ya ni mauna e monde do mio bedena kwe ebe na abima e moni gwalo tete mi dimi ahi biele na o heke ni mana aje nwa wemi wala wowo wala ho ya si won pa no baseki fiegbe were gba baseki me fiegbe were gbe ebibi gaze no ga ye gbe ta ugwe ogo to na mo me fiegbe were gbe o fiegbe were gba baseki me fiegbe were gbe ebibi gaze no ga ye gbe ta ugwe ogo to na mo me otu ni ye gbe ta we here no we ye ke we gi ana gberegbe they must go down because agbe no wo say e sore do ure do hia me ve hia agwa be di o mani na magiri ge igo na te eno iya ni wa retire ni ya yo ni sa pe be bu be no keke no ru wa ga no fu abogwa because I when azekine ayo wa no ri egie e ba esi agi ye be di agbe ewo ya magiri ere mi to afia mi e be fia ohi e be tuya udu e be kuya e be o hia te do hia ya be la ejini ba ko they are just punishing them just because of vanity but sunu woki de na ma mi ba gbonde de na mu magwara ma musu kwa bo no logo we kwa chomule ele bi bieka o ya we do kere be social media do kere see me see you ibi bieka a picture we am we yo we here ekwemu e umo mo me bu ode umo kwo we bu ode okwe bu ode me ono de na wo we e kabaka no ro aheju ere e no say na pay me down ahin so that everything concerning you no make na dey okay ogora wo pa ni na go obi ere travel e bia wo gwara na ma emie emi ya na ya go successful look at just because of bad habits wala wogo wagbere hin wo bi edo wala o only what do you why so my brothers and sisters this is where I end my topic today so please everybody we have to join hands and fight this battle. I know this battle is already God is really doing something over the battle so we need to see we have to be pray nothing we can use to fight it is only prayer we don't have hearts we don't have gun to fight it's only God that will help us to fight it so everybody needs to strong in prayer pray for Obaseki pray for Edo City pray for everybody there over that Edo City even Nigeria we have to pray for them because we want everywhere to be okay. We want everywhere to be okay. So my brothers and sisters, thank you very much. God bless you. And you know the what I'm doing here before what I used to come to social media, it was all those our remedy. I'm still waiting for the road to open. So once everything is coming to Europe, I will be okay. Then I will bring everything here because why I stopped the video It's many people have been calling me. They need this, they need this, they need this. I don't have it here because the road is blocked ever since then. Thank God it's opening gradually. So when the road will open final, then I will read those things. I will still come back with my remedy. Meanwhile, before the things come, we will still talking about this our Edo. This is our Edo story because it's still there until everything will continue to discuss about it. We can't leave it for only one person. It's for everybody. Why Edo State is for everybody. We need to fight against corruption, against bad habits. So everybody have to get up and fight for it. May God bless every one of you that is really fighting for it since then. May God bless me too. May God bless the viewers. May God everybody all over the world, everybody all over the Nigeria, everybody all over Edo State. May God bless you people. I cover every one of you there with the blood of Jesus. For in Jesus' wonderful name we pray. Thank you very much. Okay, I will be back tomorrow by God's grace.